Zari embroidery, also known as Zari work or Zardozi, is a traditional and intricate form of hand embroidery that originated in India. It involves using a specialized needle, known as the Zari or tambour needle, to create exquisite and highly detailed patterns on fabric. The Zari craftsmanship process is a labor-intensive and meticulous art form that has been practiced for centuries. Here's an overview of the steps involved in the Zari embroidery process. 1. Design creation. The process begins with the creation of a design or pattern that will be embroidered onto the fabric. This design is often drawn or traced onto the fabric to serve as a guide for the embroidery work. 2. Fabric selection. Zari embroidery can be done on a variety of fabrics, including silk, velvet, chiffon, and cotton. The choice of fabric depends on the intended use of the finished product. 3. Frame setup. The fabric is stretched out on a wooden frame, creating a stable working surface for the artisan. This frame keeps the fabric in place and ensures that it doesn't shift during the embroidery process. 4. Thread selection. Specialized metallic or silk threads, often in gold or silver tones, are chosen for Zari embroidery. These threads add a luxurious and opulent touch to the finished work. 5. Needle and hook setup. The Zari or tambour needle is used for Zari embroidery. This needle has a hook at the end, and the thread is passed through the hook. The artisan controls the hook to create stitches and patterns on the fabric. 6. Stitching process. The artisan begins by anchoring the thread on the fabric, often at the center of the design. Using the Zari needle, they create intricate chain stitches, satin stitches, or various other decorative stitches, depending on the design. 7. Embellishments. Zari embroidery often incorporates additional elements such as beads, sequins, pearls, and small pieces of mirror, known as makaish. These embellishments are attached to the fabric using the same Zari needle. 8. Precision and detailing. Zari embroidery is known for its precision and attention to detail. Artisans work meticulously, ensuring that each stitch is even and that the design is perfectly executed. 9. Finishing. Once the embroidery is complete, the fabric is carefully removed from the frame. Any loose threads or imperfections are trimmed, and the finished piece is inspected for quality. 10. Washing and pressing. Depending on the fabric and the nature of the embroidery, the finished piece may undergo a gentle washing process to remove any marks or stains. It is then carefully pressed to maintain its shape and appearance. 11. Final product. The result is a stunning piece of fabric adorned with intricate Zari embroidery, often used for garments, accessories, home decor, or ceremonial textiles. Zari craftsmanship requires exceptional skill, patience, and dedication. It is a time-honored art form that continues to captivate people with its beauty and craftsmanship, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of India and other regions where this technique is practiced.